What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. This video, well, I didn't really had a lot of time to record like intros and stuff at the event that I went this past weekend, the first weekend of September. Just saying that because I don't know where I'm going to drop the video, but well, I went to the biggest car show that we have in Portugal, and I didn't really have time to record like an intro and stuff. There were over 40,000 people there, probably over 20,000 cars to watch, like not even counting the ones from the people that attend the event just to see it. I'm talking about the cars at the actual event. It was pretty crazy. I freaking loved it. It was the first time I went there. And today's video is going to be the Michelin historic ramp with some pulls that people do there. Like, there's a lot of crazy cars going there. There's a Peugeot that I don't even know the horsepower of that thing. It's probably like 3-4 horsepower. I'm going to do the research and I'm going to put it on the video when that comes up, but man, I don't even know how that thing got to the top. I think it's about 3-4 kilometers to the top, and well, it's crazy. There was race cars, there were classic cars, modern cars, like everything. You guys are going to love this video, so I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to go away. You guys are going to watch the video. There's a lot of clips. I put a lot of work into it on the editing and stuff, and well, I'm going to see you guys on my next video that will, I don't know if I'm going to do the slideshow or if I'm going to do like, I don't know. I have a lot of stuff. I have probably 100 or about 100 Miatas on video. And I have the Porsche Club on video. I have the Miata Club, the Porsche Club. I have a lot of stuff. So I have a lot of content, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you enjoyed the video and what was your favorite car doing the pool. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!
Hasil la recorre querido. Pues de particular.